In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Bluebeam for takeoffs. First, open your project PDF in Bluebeam Revu. Once it's loaded, make sure you're looking at the sheet you want to measure and that the measurements panel is visible. If you don't see it, you can open it from the panels on the side. Everything we do for takeoffs will be tied to this PDF, so it's worth confirming you're on the correct drawing before you start. Next, calibrate the drawing so your measurements are accurate. Go to Measurements and choose Calibrate. Pick 2 points on the drawing with a known real-world distance, like the ends of a dimension line. Click the first point, click the second, then enter the actual length and confirm the units such as feet and inches or meters. Decide whether to apply the calibration to just this page or to all pages if they share the same scale. If different sheets use different scales, repeat calibration when you switch pages. A quick tip: after calibrating, draw a test line over a known dimension to verify it reads correctly. Now choose the appropriate measurement tool from the Measurements tab. Use length for straight runs, area for spaces like rooms or slabs, perimeter for boundaries, and count for items like fixtures or diffusers. Before you start, you can set the color, line style, and label in the Properties toolbar so your takeoffs are easy to read. Consistent colors and subjects help you stay organized, especially on larger projects. Begin capturing quantities by clicking or tracing on the drawing. For length, click the start and end points. For perimeter and area, click each corner or change of direction, double-click to finish, and area will fill automatically. For count, just click each instance of the symbol you're counting. Zoom in for precision, and if your cursor snaps to lines and corners, leave snapping on to improve accuracy. If you make a mistake, press undo or select the markup and drag its control points to adjust it. Keep your tracing neat and follow the drawing carefully to avoid over or under measuring. As you work, each measurement is saved in the markups list at the bottom of the screen, which becomes your running takeoff log. You'll see the type, label, and quantity for every markup. Rename items in the subject field, add comments, and organize by sorting or filtering so totals are easy to review. The list updates instantly, and your units and totals reflect the calibration you set. When you're done, save the PDF to retain all markups and your markups list. That's the core workflow for using Bluebeam Revu for takeoffs. Open the PDF, calibrate, choose the right tool, trace carefully, and rely on the markups list to track your quantities.